Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you're all well and ready for today's lesson. Right, I'm going to purposely keep this video really short and sweet. I'm going to try and keep it under 2 minutes so that you can watch it all and then get on with your work. So let's start. So task 1 is your Quranic memorization. Simply put, what I need from you is if you haven't recited your 3 surahs that I gave you as a task last time, finish them off today. If you've already done that, then memorize 3 new ayahs ideally. If you can't do 3, then 1 or 2 will be fine as well. Send that to me on Teams or on email and I will give you feedback. Then get on to task 2, which is opening up to Surah Qaf. Use that link again and you're reciting the first 6 verses of Surah Qaf using the feedback I gave you last time to make improvements. Now I've also recorded this and put it up as a link to help you hear how you should recite it and what you should watch out for as well. So listen to that link as well, which is going to come next after this link. Then you need to get on to task 3 and ensure that you've finished it. I think most of us have. So the human circuit system task needs to be done. You should have went through these website links and taken all the key points of knowledge. You should have went through and connected science and Islam together with regard to this project. So you should have either chosen one of these 5 or all 5 or some of these 5 hadiths to prove what you're trying to say. But not only that, you could also go to sunnah.com or quran.com to bulk up what the connection to Islam could be like. And then last but not least, you need to finish this project in today's lesson. So if it's a PowerPoint or video or newspaper article or interview, this needs to be done. Again, refer to this rubric to see what's expected of you. And last but not least, make sure it is done today and saved, because next lesson, which is on Wednesday, is going to be a Teams call where you're going to be expected to present your project to the class whilst we all watch and listen to you present. Again, in the meantime, any questions, do feel free to ask, and I've hit my target of keeping this under 2 minutes. Woohoo!